In today's tutorial, we're going to see how easy it is to edit a file straight from DeftPDF's browser-based platform. From the home page, we just click the Edit button and then select the PDF we'd like to work with. You can see DeftPDF's toolbar displayed here at the top. It contains all the tools you need to edit a PDF without having to buy pricey programs. You can add text, edit existing text with ease, insert clickable links, create fields that can be filled in later, insert images, insert your signature, whiteout or redact, add annotation, create shapes, and so much more. Once you've finished, just hit Apply Changes and save locally to Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. Visit DeftPDF.com to see what else you can do.